everybody, welcome to today's assembly. Today we are going to look at being healthy. You may remember that last week we looked at Article 24. You have a right to the best health possible, to medical care and to information that will help you stay well. I've highlighted the last bit of that sentence because that's what we're going to talk about this week. We're going to give you some information that will help you to stay well. Have a think about this question. What does the word healthy mean to you? You might want to press pause and talk to someone at home, or you might want to just take a minute and write down or think about what healthy is. It could be that, like this person in the slide, you've thought about healthy foods. But actually, being healthy is far more than just the food that we eat. Food does play a big part, and we'll talk about that in tomorrow's assembly. But also, our activity and the exercise that we have is also really important in keeping us healthy. But we also think about our social health and our mental health, how we feel inside and how we are having healthy relationships with our friends and our family. And that's something else we're going to think about in another assembly later on this week. There's also practical ways that you can keep healthy and things that you should be doing daily to make sure your body stays in good condition. So brushing your teeth, keeping your body clean, brushing your hair, ways to make sure that you're in good condition and keeping healthy. So some of the ways of staying healthy we're going to look at, as we've said this week: exercising regularly and eating healthily, thinking about our attitude and being positive with life. And one more thing that's very important, especially as we're thinking about coming back to school next week, is having a really healthy sleep schedule, making sure that you're getting enough sleep each night that gives your brain time to rest and recover and digest all of the stuff that you've learned and done in the day, ready to learn again the following day. Really important that you make sure you have enough sleep. Can you think of any other reasons that you think being healthy is so important? What would happen if we weren't healthy? What would happen to our body? What would happen to how we feel? What would happen to our learning? So today I'm setting you a challenge to think about one thing that you can do differently to be healthier. It might be that you make some healthy choices with the food that you eat today. It might be that you take an extra long walk or bike ride or scooter ride when you go out for some exercise. It might be that actually you have a really positive conversation with someone in your household or one of your friends, either via the internet or on a telephone call. Think about a way that you can do something healthy for you, because our thought for today is to eat well, to live well, and then we will be well. Take care everyone, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.